Good morning, peeps. We are out and at it again. We are back. Maybe like, what is this, like
Central Station.
Central Station. Yeah, I was gonna say like city center. You know, every place has a city center. Anyway, we're just gonna explore. It's cold, so I don't know how long we're gonna be out here because I feel like icicles are on my nose. But all right, we're gonna explore.
Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by.
Alright, peeps, so as we are walking around, we realized that we are in the red light district. Nothing bad. It's not bad at all, you know, there's nobody naked walking around or anything like that. But for me, a little thing about me, I've always wanted to see it. It's nothing bad. It's nothing crazy. No one, yeah, like I said, no one's walking around naked. It's just a regular place, you know. It has the restaurants, bars, boutique stores, all that stuff around. But it's pretty interesting. One thing though, like, no judgment. Like, if you are into the sort of thing, no judgment. We read up on it. We were like, huh, that's kind of interesting. Like, how do they do it? It's like,
Well, women have they have the right to refuse any men or women, I guess.
yeah, they have the right to refuse. They can choose. I think we read that said, like, if you remind them of like their brother or father or cousin,
yeah.
they're like, no. They make them test all the time, regularly. They don't want to be photographed or, you know, videotaped, which is that's their
harassed,
right.
knocking the window, tapping the window,
Yeah,
all those things.
which that's being respectful. So yeah, so it's totally not what I expected. A little girl from South Carolina thinking everybody walking around naked. No, completely clean and really nice. You can see everything around us.
Yeah,
It's
I have
really
a couple
nice.
buddies that are in the military and the Marine Corps, and so they told me a little bit about it, and so it's about what I expected, and you know, not
Yeah,
surprising, you know, being in Europe, you know, what we sometimes
was all
think in
wrong.
America is a lot different. So no, it's about what I expected.
I was all wrong.
Yeah.
But it's pretty cool. So we're just gonna walk around a little more and see what we can see. Okay, so anytime we go to a different country, we gotta try what the cuisine and the specialties. So now that we are here, I wanted to try bitterballen because it just looks like something that I would love. So right now we are outside of the restaurant called Trinity, Amsterdam, and we're getting some bitterballen. So I'm excited. That's gonna warm me up on this really cold day. Good afternoon, peeps. It's cold. It looks like we're in the morning time, but it's just a cloudy day today. So earlier this week we were trying to go see Anne Frank, but we found out we needed to get tickets in advance. So last night some tickets came available. So we're heading that way right now.
earlier, so because we have a kid and getting back to the hotel late, they're like, you can come now.
Okay.
So we can go now.
Well, amen.
There's no hurt to ask sometimes.
All right, well, let's go. So I'm not sure if you can record inside, but we're about to go in. So if you don't see any footage, then you know you can't record inside. But here we go. All right, peeps, that was heavy. We just came out of the Anne Frank Museum. So it is the actual annex with the house and everything. They just converted it into a museum, and I must say it was really good. I got teary-eyed a few times and just kept holding Journey and was like, oh, I just can't imagine. So definitely come to it. It is worth the money.
Yeah, I mean, it's, you know, you read the diary. I know for me in the 8th grade, I think that's around the time. You don't read in high school, so it's around 7th, 8th grade. You read the diary.
Yeah.
Hearing her own words brought the whole experience to life in a way that I never thought I would. I would definitely encourage you to visit. Take your young ones with you, and use it as a teaching experience as well. So.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I mean, and my thing is, I wanted Journey to see this, even though right now, yeah, she's too young, she may not understand it. But I know for me, like, we were in grade school when we learned about Anne Frank, so I know that it's coming for her, and I want her to have that experience. Like, you were actually there, you were in the house, and just bring it full circle, and just, yeah, very good. Go see it. It's a must. It's a must. The cheese store isn't open. So they have samples. That is good. I have some of the best cheese out here. And I'm lactose intolerant, but it hasn't bothered me. But that lets you know it's good cheese. Oh gosh, are you okay? Lord have mercy. This is Lovers. This is the canal cruise that we took. So it was a pretty good cruise. They have like maybe 2 different stalls. You see, he's saying hi. Yeah, he's saying hi. So come see him. Lovers Canal. Hey. So today is our last full day in Amsterdam, and man, last full day in Europe, actually. It's kind of surreal. I have enjoyed my time. It's bittersweet because I'm ready to go home, but then not ready to go home. I guess more ready to get back to the routine, especially the motorcycle that went by, especially for Journey, but not excited to leave the adventure. So it's bittersweet, but very happy that we got to experience 30 days in Europe. Very excited. And I love you too. All right. Sum up the Amsterdam trip in one word. Pretty cool store. Everything is sustainable. That is my life, you know that. Huh? Mm-hmm. Nice. Alright, honey, it's our last night. How you feeling? Yeah, I'm exhausted too. Journey, you enjoying your dinner? Yeah. your Cajun spice drumstick with Thai noodles and Thai soup. So we are having a few drinks. We're waiting on our dinner. I just got Journey her food. For kids under 7, they can eat free, so she has a whole spread. That's what we're doing. We're chilling, enjoying our last night, having our last drink in Amsterdam before we go upstairs and have to pack. We didn't. Well, yeah, we don't need to pack that much, but pack and get ready for the morning.
Mommy,